Hi, I'm Anthony Vincent. I'm here with Schwarzkopf Professional.
Hey, I'm Hannah. I'm a yoga teacher with Yoga Works, and I'm here to share some tools to support hairdressers like Anthony to feel really good in their body. Are you hunched over at work? I have some tools to help your neck and shoulders feel more free and spacious. So let's go ahead and just stand and take your shoulders and pick them up and then roll them back. And do that a few times, lifting your shoulders, rolling them back, and just bringing a little bit more circulation and movement to that region of the body that can get really hard and dense when you're holding things up for a prolonged period of time. Okay, and then take your hands and you're gonna rub your palms together, make a little heat. And once you feel your palms nice and toasty, take your hands towards your upper trap, so right around the top of your shoulder, and just give them a couple squeezes, massaging and seeing how that area of your body feels. It's a big part of interrupting patterns that can lead to a lot of excess tension is just becoming more mindful of them. If you have a strap, you're gonna hold it with an arm's length in between your hands, keeping your arms straight, reaching it up, and then taking it back. Now, because you have a little bit of a shorter thing to work with, instead of taking it all the way back behind you, which we call like flossing the shoulder, you're just gonna reach it overhead. Keep your chest lifted, your spine tall, and then start to bend your elbows, pulling your elbows wide. Woo, yeah? Inhale, reach the strap overhead, and then again, exhale, bending the elbows, lifting the sternum. Now this time a little bit different. You're gonna take it up overhead, bring it in front of you, dome your upper back on purpose. So come into that hunchback shape, but think about spreading in between your shoulder blades, really open it up. Nice, and then stand up tall, and you can put your strap down.
Wow.
Yeah?
That was great.
Good. Reach your right arm down to the ground, and then drop your left ear to your left shoulder, imagining like you had like a really heavy earring, although your earring's on the other side, right? And then think about tucking your chin in towards your chest just a little bit. Now take your right hand behind your back, and just notice if anything changes when you take your arm behind your back, if that like kind of brings up some sensation there.
Yeah, shoulder opens a bit more.
So looking to target this region kind of right along the side of the neck, and then play with the degree of your chin, rotating it down a little bit more, and then looking up. And just doing that once or twice, like looking down and up, and seeing as you move, if there's a region that feels particularly dense or like almost hard, you might choose to stay there. Give it another 5 deep breaths. So a lot of this is really personal to where you hold tension more. It kind of is a practice of self-discovery. Right, and then release your arm and just do a couple of those shoulder rolls again. And then you would do the other side. And then the next exercise that we'll do is a little head tilt. And all you're gonna do is tilt your head to the right, tuck your chin down, roll it over to the left, and then all the way around. So making a circle.
That's very helpful because I feel like usually I do crunch like with the chin.
Nice. And then bring your head back to center and just see how you feel after. Taking notice helps to also motivate you to do it more frequently.
Kind of open up those shoulder areas and my back doesn't feel as like a little C.
Nice. Thanks for watching these videos. I hope the tools help you feel good in your body.
For more, subscribe to Schwarzkopf Professional's YouTube channel to sustain your career but also help your body.